Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath. And the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www.themanitselfhimselfonfire.com. And today we're talking earbuds. And we're talking about these earbuds that's in this case. You want to see them? You want to see them? Let's get them to the workbench, guys. I'm going to bring them to the gym. We're going to see how they hold up for the day. But first, a word from our sponsor. DST TV is a high-quality IPTV service provider. This IPTV service provider provides hundreds of channels for as little as $20 a month, 3 lines. You can use this on an iPhone, iPad, NVIDIA Shield, any Android device. You also can use the web player and view it on your laptop or desktop. This will ensure that you will have your high quality TV shows on the go anywhere in the world. So go ahead and check out DST TV. It will be in the description below. Alright, we have it to our work table and we're going to use our unboxing knife just to get this plastic off of here. Let's have a conversation about these earbuds because they're kind of unique. As we look inside the box, you get your user manual, you get your micro USB charger, some extra little earbuds covers. Make sure you read your user manual, guys. It really helps you with the multi-function button. But these earbuds will give you 3 hours of continuous playback time, but whenever you're using the rechargeable case, you can get up to 12 hours because they can recharge the earbuds, the case that is, can recharge the earbuds up to 4 times. Also, they are IPX4 sweat resistant and waterproof. They look really good. Strangely, you go ahead and check out the design of it. You can see the angle that they have. You see the little built-in wing tip right there and the connectors for you to line it up for charging. Now that wing tip at the top helps it locks inside of your inner ear canal, and the design of it, like I said, is very unique. It feels good in the hand, and the great thing about it that I love is when you take it out, they automatic power on, and pairing is simple, guys. You just simply press and hold down the multi-function button on either R for about 2 seconds. It's going to start blinking red and blue, and then you're in the pairing mode. You just take your Bluetooth able device, put it into pairing, and it finds it. All right, let's bring these things to the gym and see how they hold up. Okay, so I always start all of my workouts with a mile run. So here I am, just getting in a nice little sweat. Let's see how they hold up for the rest of the workout. Let's get it started. So right now, I'm deep off into the workout. So sweating, haven't had any trouble with them. Still got some nice clear sound. You can see sweat probably hitting the headphones right now. They still staying in. So I got one more set to do. I'm gonna go to the 100-pound shoulder press. And usually I have a lot of action with this to get it up and moving around. So let's see if they stay in. Alright guys, so there you have it. That was a great workout. They held up good. Let's go back to the bathroom for my final thoughts. Alright, so welcome back. So let's talk about my cons about these Wolf Blitz earbuds. Right out the box, I had to change the earpiece. And that is the little cover. You have these little covers, and the one that it had on there was too big, so when I put it in my ear, it felt like it wanted to fall out. So I put a smaller one on there, and when I put it in my ear, it fit just fine. I love the design, how it comes down, and as you seen in the gym, I was able to keep them on. I was able to get into different positions, and they held up just fine. My downfall is that they don't get as loud as I like them. Now, sure enough, they take all of the background noise out. You know, they have a nice volume. It is loud, but it don't have like that boom boom bass. Now, they do have some nice mids, some nice highs. It's a few of my cons. Now, here's what I like about it. I like the chargeable case, and just put your earbuds up in here, and it will reassure me that if I had this in my gym bag, as long as this case is charged up, my earbuds are going to be charged up. Once they get in there, they're very comfortable. As you see in pairing, it's easy. And they held up in the gym fairly good. They do have a nice sound to them. They just don't have that Boom, boom, bass. When you're pairing, the earbuds do talk to you, let you know when it's pairing, let you know when the earbuds are going dead. Overall, these are a nice pair of headbuds to bring to the gym. I'm going to bring to the gym a few more times, but I think for the price that you're paying for this and the nice smooth sound you're getting out of it and the ability to bring it in the gym and for it to hold up in the gym, I think that it's worth 5 stars out of 5. Here's your boy taking bows, and until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. If you need a pair of gym earbuds, consider these. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.